Good morning, traders. Welcome in Stop Loss Hunter. I'm getting lots of requests to make this video in English language, so I'm trying to get it done in English language. On every day, I'm sharing few GAN levels, GAN breakout timings. So let's discuss how to trade them and how to execute your trade. Have you observed that on day-to-day basis there is a certain time frame when market takes a directional move, and through astrology, through planetary action, I had found something relatable which is working in stock market. In past 40 days I upload most of the videos for each and every trading day. Now the basic question, how to take entry. First I need to tell you need when I'm talking about today's time is 9:30 to 10:30, that means you no need to take entry in between this time. You need to observe the time. That is a kind of observation time. That means if, for example, today's breakout time is 9:30 to 10:30, that means mark the high and low between this time frame. And after this time frame, if market goes break upside of your mark, then you need to take buy entry. If market break low of that observation time, then you need to take sell entry. You can apply this method in each and every stock, commodity, index, options, whatever you like. Let me show you some examples from yesterday. The yesterday time was 10:20 to 11:40. Let's have a look on chart so that you can easily understand what you need to do and what no need to do. Wait. Yes. Let me little bit zoom. Yes. 10:20 you will get in this candle, and your observation time will start from here. And 11:20 you will get in this candle. You need to the high point was near, which makes in 10:30 candles, which was 36,650, and the low was it makes a low was near about 11. That candle start from 11:15. So you mark the high and low. In this case, after few time, market break the low. That means you need to enter here in sell side, and your stop loss will be sell here above your buy point. So this see my trigger cursor, this was your buy point and this was your sell point. Market gives you a sell breakout, so keep your stop loss here, and you can see the downfall. As per our prediction, it goes down. This is how we are working. If you are having any kind of query which I can solve, it's my pleasure. I will definitely solve it. Now let's talk about Monday. Monday time frame will be 9:15 to 9:43. You need to mark the high and low between this time, whatever the price action happen. If market breaks high side, you need to enter in buy side. If market goes in lower side and it breaks low of that particular time, you need to enter in sell. It's too much simple. No need to have any kind of indicator on your screen. No need to have any kind. There is no space of any emotions. And target as per your risk reward ratio or target. I kept my target always open. You can wait in that trade till as per your comfort level. If you are comfortable to carry that trade till market closing, that is your wish. You can simply book profit. If you find no, this is a good time, don't trade in panic. If you are not feeling comfortable in any trade, either avoid that trade or exit from that trade. This is the basic fundamental. There should not be any emotions. I uploaded almost 34-35 videos in past 2 months. You can check the results. From past 35 trading days. Results are amazing. Some people were asking, is there any scanner? No, there is no scanner. Let me tell you. You need to find out breakout at that time manually. But it is too simple. Just keep your watch list small. You need to carry 3 to 4 good script. As you can see in my videos, most of the time I'm trading in natural gas. I'm trading in Bank Nifty. These are some script where this method is working amazing. I didn't check this method in penny stock. Means the stock which are less than 60 or 70 rupees, below 60-70 rupees. I never prefer to trade in those stocks. Majority of time I entered in good stocks. If you have any query, if you are not able to understand the whole basic thing, you can comment, you can message me at any point of time. Definitely I will try to help you out. This channel is 100% free. No need to pay anything, and you will get these kind of videos every day. And I already revealed time for Monday. Wish you all the best. Thank you, trader.